And now for something really special. This is one of those dishes that takes all expectations and turns them completely on their heads. It is without doubt the most controversial dish we have at the restaurant. Owen, in charge of desserts at the Fat Duck, is going to show you how to make bacon and egg ice cream. You start by roasting the bacon. The smoked bacon rashers should be lightly browned, just how you'd have them for breakfast, and put in whole milk. Place in the fridge to infuse overnight. The next day, add this to a mix of egg yolks and sugar. Heat the egg and bacon mix to between 85 and 90 Celsius, way hotter than conventional recipes say, to give the eggy taste that we want. As the eggs overcook, the proteins clump together. The eggs almost scramble. That's then ready to sieve, be blitzed in a processor, strained again, churned and frozen. If most chefs came in and saw Owen doing this, they'd think he'd lost his marbles, or at least his ability to cook. To serve, first a tomato and red pepper compote, some caramelized brioche, a spoonful of salted butter caramel, then some sugared morels or wild mushrooms on top. A few drops of maple syrup, the bacon and egg ice cream, and a cup of gelid tea. It's all about overturning expectation. You don't expect egg and bacon ice cream, but if you are going to eat it, you think it'll be savoury, not sweet. It's a gastronomic double take.